Hi everybody, I'm Sam Thompson. I'm a local mortgage agent and we're joined today with Joe Bladdock.
Hi everybody.
And yeah, today we're going to chat with you guys a little bit about some of the mistakes that we commonly see in our mortgage office. A lot of them are really common and a lot of people don't even know they're making them, right Joe?
That's right, Sam. Yeah, we're going to be a really informative video. We'll focus on the mistakes, and just being prepared is going to save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars as you're going ahead with your home purchase. So stay tuned, and Sam, why don't you start with the first mistake?
Yeah, so the first mistake is really easy enough if you've chatted with us at all, or you're just getting started in your mortgage process. It's not getting pre-approved. It's a really simple and easy process. It takes, you know, a 20-minute phone call with us. You only need photo ID and some pay stubs, and we can get your pre-approval submitted with a lender to give you an idea of what you qualify for. It really sets you up knowing what to expect moving forward, and it helps us develop some strategies moving forward with you with your mortgage process.
That's great. Yeah, that's a great tip, Sam. Getting pre-approved will definitely give you that confidence and get you all set up for the mortgage process. Another one is borrowing before you actually buy your home. Now that you've been pre-approved with Sam, you might be really excited and might also, as you're shopping for a home, go out and buy yourself a brand new truck or some furniture on credit that has no payments until next year. But beware that if you do that, then the bank may pull a credit bureau before funding and end up lowering the mortgage amount or asking you to pay off that debt before funding to make sure that the mortgage goes through. So doing that could cost you some money right before closing, and you want to make sure to avoid that.
That's a really good tip, Joe.
Thanks, Sam.
Another one that we see actually quite a bit is just not reviewing your options. I mean, we can work with plenty of different lenders, some of which we're standing in front of today.
Yes.
But there's a lot of different mortgages that are available to you and ones that are going to suit your specific scenario. So looking at things like the different mortgage rates, the different ways to pay, prepayment options, there's quite a variety of what we can offer you. So coming with an open mind and ready to really discuss all of the different options is going to put you in a better position moving forward so that you have the full scope of what we can offer you in your mortgage.
That's an excellent tip, Sam. Yeah. Another one, just to cover off, is closing costs. Closing costs are something that a lot of people forget when they're buying their first home or second home. And it's something that us as your mortgage professionals can go over with you. Make sure that we cover off things like legal fees, any title insurance fees, if there's going to be a property tax holdback and how much that will be. All that is all encompassing with your mortgage purchases, and just knowing that what your closing costs are can better prepare you for closing day and prevent you from having to take cash from other sources last minute.
Yeah, that's definitely something that we see tends to sneak up on a lot of clients.
It does, yeah.
And definitely once you've been pre-approved, once you're getting ready and you're searching for your home, a really good tip that we can recommend for you guys is to set up your home buying team. So we really want to make a strong point to stick with using a real estate buyer's agent. So the important difference with this is that they're going to have your best interests. We don't really want you to rely on using the seller's agent because they'll of course have the person selling the home as their primary investment. So we really want to encourage you to set up a team that is set up working in your best interest with you as a top priority.
That's a great tip, Sam. Thanks so much for covering that. And there's one more, and I'm not sure if you covered this one, but that's not reviewing your options. And that would be just to make sure that you speak to a mortgage professional like us, where we can take a look at your financial situation and match you up to many different lenders, and then have those lenders compete for your business, and then we can pick and help you, advise you on what mortgage best suits you for your needs. And also remember that there's no cost to use a mortgage professional, as we are paid by the lender directly for setting up your mortgage.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything today. So thanks for watching our video. And if you want to know more about these mistakes and how to avoid them, or just connect with us to talk about your mortgage situation, whether you want to get pre-approved or see where you're at today, contact Sam Thompson or myself, Joe Bladdock, and we'd be happy to give you an idea of where you're at today.